Breaking news: Begum Khaleda Zia has died. Former Prime Minister of Bangladesh and long-time leader of the Bangladesh Nationalist Party (BNP) has died at age 80 after a prolonged illness, her party confirmed. She passed away early today while receiving treatment, marking the end of one of Bangladesh's most prominent political careers. Her death follows weeks of serious health issues, including lung and heart problems, during which prayers and support were widely shared across the country. Who she was? Khaleda Zia was the first woman to serve as Prime Minister of Bangladesh, leading the country multiple times and shaping its political landscape for decades. She and her rival Sheikh Hasina dominated politics in Bangladesh